Have you ever paused to consider the journey of the simple chicken nugget before it reaches your plate? We begin with a conceptual masterpiece. This golden, cratered sphere represents the ideal nugget, a perfect balance of crunch, texture, and flavor. As the shell cracks open, it reveals the intricate, fibrous texture that defines high-quality poultry processing. This isn't just fast food, it is a marvel of modern food engineering and culinary science. The quest for the perfect nugget began in the 1950s with Robert C. Baker, and since then, it has evolved into a global phenomenon. In this documentary, we are taking you behind the scenes of a state-of-the-art facility where thousands of nuggets are produced every hour with robotic precision. From the initial spark of a recipe to the final golden fry, every single step is calculated to ensure that the crunch you hear and the taste you love remains consistent across millions of servings. Part 2. Sourcing and Meat Processing, 3 to 6 o'clock. Visual, raw chicken breasts, frozen blocks, and workers in clean suits. The foundation of any premium nugget is the quality of the raw material. Here, we see fresh and flash-frozen chicken breasts being prepared for processing. Unlike lower-grade alternatives, high-end production facilities prioritize whole muscle meat to ensure a high protein-to-fat ratio. Notice the environment. The facility operates under strict pharmaceutical-grade hygiene standards. Workers are equipped with sanitized gear, gloves, and hairnets to prevent any contamination. The meat is first tempered and then moved into a specialized grinder. Temperature control is the most critical variable during this phase. If the meat becomes too warm, the proteins can denature, ruining the final texture. Therefore, the processing floor is kept at a constant chill. The ground meat is then combined with a precise blend of seasonings and natural binding agents. This batter creates a malleable base that allows the machines to mold the nuggets into those familiar, iconic shapes we all recognize. Part 3. Shaping, Coating, and Enrobing, 6 to 9 o'clock. Visual, the enrobing machine pouring batter over the meat shapes. Once the meat base is ready, it enters the shaping and enrobing stage. This is where the magic of the texture happens. You are watching a high-speed enrober at work, which blankets the chicken shapes in a specialized liquid batter. This coating serves two purposes. It provides the foundation for the exterior crunch and acts as a moisture barrier, ensuring the chicken inside stays juicy during the high-heat frying process. The coating process is a multi-step science. It starts with a pre-dust layer to help the batter stick, followed by the wet enrobing, and finally, the application of Cineri, golden breadcrumbs. These crumbs are engineered to achieve a specific level of porosity, which determines how much oil is absorbed and how crispy the final product feels. Automated sensors monitor the weight and thickness of every single unit. If a nugget is even a fraction of a gram off the standard, it is automatically diverted from the line. Part 4. Scientific Quality Control, 9 to 12 o'clock. Visual, scientists using calipers, X-ray screens, and lab testing. Quality control is the heart of the operation. Once formed, the nuggets undergo rigorous scientific scrutiny. Technicians use precision calipers to measure the dimensions, ensuring every batch meets the exact specifications for uniform cooking. We also see the implementation of HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point protocols. This is a systematic approach to food safety that identifies and prevents biological, chemical, or physical hazards. Perhaps the most impressive part is the X-ray and imaging analysis. You see blue and white scans on the monitors. These are real-time X-rays looking for any invisible imperfections, such as tiny bone fragments or foreign particles. Furthermore, samples from every batch are taken to a test kitchen, where they are cooked and analyzed for moisture retention and bite force resistance. Only after passing these exhaustive tests are the nuggets cleared for the final stage of their journey. Part 5. Frying, Freezing, and Packaging, 12 to 1500 hours. Visual, deep frying, blast freezing, and automated bagging. The final transformation occurs in the flash fryer. The nuggets are submerged in high-temperature oil for a very short duration, just long enough to set the coating and achieve that signature golden brown hue. They aren't fully cooked yet, the final chef is you at home. After frying, the nuggets immediately enter a spiral blast freezer, where temperatures drop to -18 degrees Celsius in seconds. This rapid freezing locks in the freshness and prevents ice crystals from damaging the meat's texture. Finally, the nuggets are electronically counted and funneled into specialized packaging. Each bag is sealed and printed with a unique tracking code, detailing the exact batch, date, and shift of production. From a conceptual golden sphere to a perfectly packed bag, you've witnessed the incredible journey of the chicken nugget. It is a testament to how technology and food science work together to bring a simple, delicious, and safe meal to millions of people every day.